Hey everybody, welcome back to another YouTube training where I share with you the best ways to make money online that are working right now in 2021. Regularly, we search the internet and try to find the best offers to promote as an affiliate. This means you don't have to create your own products or your own online course, handle any customer service, shipping, or even creating a website. As an affiliate, your only job is to promote great products that already exist, and you'll get a commission every time someone makes a purchase or signs up. But today is a little different because instead of trying to get someone to buy something, you'll actually get to make money by giving it away. Now, how's that possible? I'll explain in a minute. But before we dive in, go ahead and smash that like button. While you're there, hit the subscribe button so you never miss another video. I'm also a big fan of the comments section. I enjoy hearing what you have to say about affiliate marketing and even base my own videos in the comments there. So go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment. All right, let's get into it. We're going to become an affiliate for Chase Banking. Why? Because Chase is running an offer right now. If you refer someone to open a checking account, Chase will give them $100 for signing up, and they'll give you $50 for the referral. So you're literally just getting someone to claim $100 for free and getting paid by Chase to do it. Now, Chase isn't the only one. They're just one example, but customers and companies like Discover, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo are offering similar programs. Just have to Google them and see what their current offering is. But for now, we'll keep using Chase as an example, because now that we've picked an offer, how we get as many people to sign up, that's in step number 2. And that's where we're going to build an affiliate funnel. Now, I use a software called ClickFunnels, which allows us to quickly build these affiliate funnels out. And here's a breakdown of how affiliate funnels work. Typically, there's 2 parts. Now, first, there's a landing page where you invite someone to give their email address in exchange for a free gift that you either create or find. Second, you're going to build a thank you page, which gives them the gift or the training and includes a place to put your affiliate link so that when someone clicks on that button and makes a purchase, you can get that sale that quickly. You'll see why gathering these email addresses and building a list is so important later, but for now, just know this page is designed to build your email list. Now, since the offer we're promoting is a checking account, this offer could be a PDF guide or a video training on how to get started in email marketing. And again, you don't have to be an expert or even create this yourself. You could go on to Fiverr and have someone else put it together for you, or link it to a YouTube video that you found that could be super helpful, which is also very important. And that's what we did in this particular funnel. Now, let's actually take an example of an opt-in page that you could use with an offer like this. This opt-in page is very simple, and that's intentional. When you're creating a landing page like this, you want it to be laser focused on the goal, getting an email address. So we don't have to have a ton of photos or blindingly bright colors, just some simple text, clearly identifying why someone should sign up, and the large area to actually collect the email address. Now, let's take a look at an example of a thank you page. This link to your page is also very simple. It shows the training that our new subscribers signed up for, plus a button to visit our affiliate offer, which is to sign up for a free Chase account. This sales funnel is something that you can create in a matter of an hour or less, meaning that you can take your business and live incredibly fast. So now that we have an offer and we have an affiliate funnel built, it's time to move to step 3. Step 3 is following up with email. This is one of the more important steps, email marketing. You've got to follow up with email. The old method of affiliate marketing was simply finding a product, sending traffic, getting a commission, and heading on your merry way. This was one and done. Let's take our checking account offer, for example. The old method is to send traffic to your affiliate link for the free checking account and collecting a commission that comes in. This really isn't a business. This is basically acting as a marketing agent. But to build a long-term valuable business, you need assets. And what's the most valuable asset you can own? Your email list. So now that you're using a sales funnel like the one I showed you, you're not only collecting commissions, but you're also gathering email subscribers. Without an email list, it's hard to make multiple commissions and see the success you want. If you take nothing else away from this video, here's what I want you to know. You need an email list to make multiple commissions. This is vital for long-term massive success. One thing that's helped me learn the affiliate marketing process is partnering with a digital marketing expert who has been through different challenges and built a successful business. The specific program I recommend to everyone is called Partner with Anthony, or PWA, created by Anthony Morrison. In this program, Anthony will walk you through how to set up a sales funnel and email marketing system. Focus of this program is to build an email list, the core concept we talked about earlier, and creating a way to earn multiple commissions from the same customer, which is what we talk about as recurring revenue. Now, my belief is that affiliate marketers need recurring revenue streams to scale their business. The Partner with Anthony program has multiple recurring income opportunities. It's a one-stop shop, an entire ecosystem. When you send traffic to it, it takes over and generates multiple commissions for you. The best part, people like you and me get to partner with Anthony himself. He's the spokesman, the sales guy. He pitches and sells the products, and we get the commissions. That means no selling on our part. So if this piques your interest, and you get the opportunity, feel like it would help you to work with partner with Anthony yourself, he's the guy. He's going to be taking care of everything. So go ahead and click the like in the description. It'll take just a few minutes to check it out and learn more. My goal is that you'll just learn something that can help you in your business. Again, the link is in the description. Click it and learn more. Lastly, as always, I just want to thank you for watching today's video. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content on building a successful business online. We'll see you next time.